Congratulations on your purchase of Draper FlexShade Zip exterior shades. In this video, we'll guide you through the necessary steps to prepare side channels for installation. The following instructions are not for Zip 127 angled headbox exterior shade products. If you are installing Zip XL products, please proceed. Please note, each shade has a left and right channel. All right and left designations are based on your orientation facing the headbox, with the front cover facing you and the side channels positioned at the back. This setup is similar to a standard interior shade. It is critical to keep these pairs grouped together as they are specifically designed for each opening. Begin by unpacking your side channels. Remove the manufacturing labels from each side channel. Relabel them to ensure you can easily track which opening may belong to. Next, using a 3mm Allen wrench, carefully remove the set screws from the front cover. These screws are finger tight, so there is no need for an electric screwdriver. Keep it simple, just manual effort. With the set screws removed, slide the Allen wrench into the cavity between the front cover and the base. Gently lift upward, prying the front cover from the side channel base. Take care not to use too much force, which can bend the aluminum parts. If the cover resists removal initially, move to the opposite end of the side channel and remove the bottom cap, and repeat the same process. It may be necessary to remove the inner plastic fabric retainer to get a better leverage point. Have patience and be methodical. Remove the retainer and immediately label all components. This step is crucial to avoid any mix-ups during installation. A simple labeling system, marking each with the opening number and either right or left, will help maintain organization and provide clear direction to any field technician involved in the process. Pay careful attention that you do not mix the front channel covers. Even if they appear identical in length, they are not interchangeable. Manufacturing tolerances in the drilled and tapped assemblies mean each cover is unique to its pair. Again, right and left designations are based on your orientation facing the front covers, with screws positioned closest to you when standing in front of the channels. Now it's time to drill clearance holes in the mounting base. Using a 1/4-inch drill bit, drill along the indexing line, ensuring the direction aligns with your mounting condition, whether it's an inside, jamb mount, or face mount. Refer to the visual guides to confirm your drilling direction. Use the front cover hole spacing as your minimum standard for fastener placement. Fasteners should be spaced no more than 24 inches apart. This is the minimum fasteners required. Failure to follow this strictly can result in product failure. Depending on the wind load requirements of your project, you may need to reduce the spacing to 10 inches on center. With the mounting holes drilled, locate and insert the side channel alignment guides into the top of each side channel. The alignment guides have R and L indicators to assist you. These plastic end plug guides are friction fit, so you may need to tap them lightly to ensure that they are fully seated. These guides are essential for keeping your side channels flush and square to the headbox. With each side channel correctly paired with its matching cover, you may now proceed to installing the prepared side channels. Click the thumbnail to view video instructions for this step, or if you need additional support, please contact Draper Inc. at 800-238-7999.